Hello, everybody. My name is Mark, and I'm your customer education manager here at Iconosquare. And today we're going to be talking about permissions, more specifically, the permissions that are required from the Facebook side in order to get your Facebook page added as a social profile in Iconosquare. We'll look at three things in this video. Firstly, how to add somebody to your page. Secondly, how to accept that invitation and start managing the page. And lastly, how to connect that to your Iconosquare account. But first, let's keep in mind that for data access to all your Meta social profiles, you must have a connected Facebook account, and the related Meta profiles will need to be linked to that Facebook profile. As you can see here in the settings, I have my personal Facebook profile, which has the necessary permissions to manage the related Meta social profiles that you can see here. So firstly, I'm going to show you how to add a team member to your page in Facebook. To start, just head to the Facebook homepage, and as you can see, I'm currently on my personal profile. In the top right, I'm just going to switch to Iconosquare, which is the page I'm managing. Once it's switched, again, in the top right, I'm going to go to Settings and Privacy, and then Settings. Head over to the far left, click Page Setup, and then Page Access. Here we can see everyone that can manage any aspect of the page. Importantly, the only people that are able to give access will be those that have permissions listed under their access. I'm going to add a new member here by name, and then the next step we need to be careful with. So by adding Axel here, we would give him access to content, messages and calls, community activity, and insights. And in terms of Axel's goal being to add the Facebook page as a social profile in Iconosquare, this level of access would be enough. The bottom part about having full control is really like having admin access to manage the other people on the page, which isn't necessary at this point. Next step is just entering the password, which is the password to your personal Facebook account. And now Axel has 31 days to respond to my request. Moving on, I'd like you to imagine that it was myself getting invited to manage the Iconosquare page instead of Axel, and I want to go and accept that invitation. I'm currently on my personal Facebook account, and in the bottom left, we can see the pages I'm currently managing, and also here by clicking on pages as well. What we need to know is that once you've been invited to manage a page, you do not get a notification. So in order to accept the invitation, you need to head to the page that invited you. And by doing so, you'll see this pending invitation here, which I will gracefully accept. And now I have what I need to be able to get this added as a social profile in Iconosquare. So over to Iconosquare, and I'm going to add a new social profile. I'm going to select Facebook, and then we can see that I have the option here to add Iconosquare. That is now activated and ready to go. If you have any questions about any of the topics that we've just covered, don't hesitate to reach out to our team.